We're gonna go on Zoom, okay? We're on the record in cause number 328612. The case of style of State of Texas versus Robert C. Murphy. Mr. Murphy was scheduled to be in court on yesterday, which was August the 23rd of 2021 for the announcement docket, which started at 9 a.m. On yesterday, Mr. Murphy's bond was forfeited because Mr. Murphy failed to appear in court for the announcement docket. I have before me State Assistant Prosecutor Julie Maxey and Assistant Prosecutor Daniel Boyd. Ms. Maxey or Ms. Boyd, do you have a matter that you'd like to bring up on Mr. Murphy's case?
Yes, Your Honor. Based on the unique circumstances of this, especially with the drug court's docket yesterday being postponed one day, the state would request to withdraw the motion for the habeas and bond and that the warrant be recalled in this case.
Okay. Now, the court is going to set aside the bond forfeiture in this case. The court is going to find that there's been good cause that has been, a sufficient cause has been shown as to why Mr. Murphy did not appear in court on yesterday. And so at this time, the bond forfeiture, well, the state's motion is going to be granted and the bond forfeiture will be set aside.
Thank you.
And also, now on today's docket, which is August 24th of 2021, at or about, well, on today's docket, which is the arraignment docket, the court has just completed its arraignment docket, and now the court will proceed to again call names of individuals who had not appeared for the arraignment docket. We're in session in cause number 328-290, cause number 328-584, cause number 329-562, and cause number 329-796. All four cases are styled the State of Texas versus Barry Saunier. Mr. Saunier was scheduled to be in court this morning for the court's arraignment docket, which was scheduled at 9 a.m. on today's date of August 24th of 2021. Mr. Saunier did not appear. Well, Mr. Saunier's name was called at or about 9 a.m. by the court's bailiff at the courthouse door. Mr. Saunier did not answer. Mr. Saunier has not appeared in court since the court has been in session. The time now is 12:32 p.m. on today's date. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Barry Saunier? Okay, Barry Saunier's name was just called again by the court's bailiff at the courthouse door, and Mr. Saunier has not appeared. Therefore, a reasonable time has passed to give Mr. Saunier an opportunity to appear in court. However, he has not appeared in court. State, do you have a motion?
Yes, Your Honor. The state would move for a habeas and a bond forfeiture.
That motion will be granted. Mr. Saunier's bond in cause number 328-290, cause number 328-584, cause number 329-562, and cause number 329-796. All four cases, the bonds will be forfeited and a warrant shall be issued for the rest of Barry Saunier. We're on the record in cause number 330220. The case is styled the State of Texas versus Amanda Ann Olivier. Ms. Olivier was scheduled to be in court this morning at 9 a.m. for the court's arraignment docket. Ms. Olivier's name was called at or about 9 a.m. by the court's bailiff at the courthouse door. Ms. Olivier did not answer. Ms. Olivier has not appeared in court since the court has been in session. The time now is 12:34 PM on today's day. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Amanda Olivier? Okay, Amanda Olivier name has just been called by the court's bailiff at the courthouse door. Ms. Olivier has not answered. A reasonable time has passed to give Ms. Olivier an opportunity to appear in court. She has not appeared in court. State, do you have a motion?
Yes, Your Honor, the state would move for bond forfeiture.
At this time, that motion will be granted and Ms. Olivier's bond will be forfeited in cause number 330220, and a warrant shall be issued for Amanda Olivier. This will conclude the calling of the court's arraignment docket, which was scheduled at 9 AM on today's date of August 24th, 2021 in County Court at Law number 2, Jefferson County, Texas. Judge Terrence